Rocket Lab has collapsed -10.79% to $102.39, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Sunday, June 14th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Risk assets are outperforming as investor confidence strengthens. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.50% at $7,431.46. Investor sentiment is being shaped by markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 edged higher plus 0.64% to $29,636. Equity markets are responding to reports that got $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, RE, semiconductor stocks to buy before they saw once again the motley fool. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.70% at $51,202. Equity markets are responding to reports that inflation topped 4% in May as CPI surged to its highest level in more than 3 years, CBS News. DAX climbed plus 1.76% to $24,635. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 climbed plus 1.63% to $10,472. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow log gains with Fed meeting ahead, tech stock squared. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, plunged -10.79% to $102.39. Equity markets are responding to reports that Rocket Lab deepens space defense role as investors weigh SpaceX IPO alternative, Simpliwalled ST. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 7.86% to $322,500. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HSBC surged plus 3.86% to $1,372.80 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by assessing HSBC, LSE, SPA, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simpliwalled ST. LVMH made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.53% to $510.60. Investor sentiment is being shaped by LVMH beats earnings expectations as China recovery mounts. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500, NASDAQ, Dow log gains with Fed meeting ahead, tech stock squared. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that inflation topped 4% in May as CPI surged to its highest level in more than 3 years, CBS News. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $87.33 per barrel, down 3.37% on the session. This comes as OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com, adding pressure to energy markets. WTI crude plunged to $84.88 per barrel, down 3.23% on the session. This comes as OPEC sees oil demand growth outpacing supply through 2027. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com, adding pressure to energy markets. Natural gas edged higher to $3.12, up 1.07% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold surged to $4,238.80 per troy ounce, up 3.63% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that why is the price of gold trending down? Al Jazeera. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. The technical picture for Rocket Lab has deteriorated. The $96.25 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.32% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.04% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.19, gaining 0.03% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to Europe sells weapons, which are used to attack India, says Ian J. Shankar, calls out US's double standards on Russian oil purchase, Deccan Herald. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post fresh analysis every single morning. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the best ones in future videos. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.